Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over some Beehiiv polls, how you can create them, and of course add them to your newsletters. If you'd like to follow along, I will leave my link down below in the description where you can get a free trial for Beehiiv. I will also leave a coupon code. I'm working on getting one. Should you want to upgrade, you can use that to save some money. So when we're on the dashboard here, if we look on the left side under audience, there's going to be polls. This is exactly where I am now. What we want to do is click on new poll right in the middle. So let's just call this, why not? Let's call it satisfactory survey as the example says here. So the description is going to be optional. So if you want to do that, you can. I'm just going to leave it blank for now so we can roll right on through this. We have our poll type. We have voting or trivia. Let's go with voting. Why not? If you want to use a redirect URL, it says specify a URL to redirect after voting or leave blank to have it return back to the post. I think it's cool to keep it exactly where it is. So let's keep that blank. Poll style, we have default, we have bullet points, numbered list, unstyled, and inline. Let's go with default, okay? We have enable live results. Displays poll results, so the percent response for voting and percent correct, incorrect for trivia. I'm just going to disable that, of course. So this is what it's going to look like this. So overall, not too bad when we have our questions and so on and so forth. So under poll options, what did you think of this newsletter? We have very good, and I'm going to do enter. Just good, average, or failure. There's always going to be that person who's like, it's a failure every time. So, something like that, what does it look like? I think that looks just fine like that. Let's click on save. And of course, there's going to be like the stats and the metrics for it and so on and so forth. Now, here's how you can actually add it to your posts or your newsletters, excuse me. Under right, let's go to posts. So whether you're using a template or not, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to use this just because I have it here. Let's click on that and use this template. All right, so here's the template that I have here. Let's go back down, say towards the end, and we're at the bottom here. So all we need to do is do a /. And if we look for, we could just do P, and you'll notice we have poll right here. Let's click on poll. And we have our satisfactory survey. And just like that, that's what it's going to be. So we can actually, let's do preview. And there we are. So what did you think of the newsletter? Fantastic. Very good. Let's do fantastic. And your response has been recorded. Okay, pretty cool. Additional feedback if needed, and that's going to be that. So that's an example about how just very basically you can set it up and of course add it if needed. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I hope you got some value out of this video. Like I said, should you want to upgrade eventually, I'm going to be having a coupon code where if you do choose to upgrade, you can save a good amount of money. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.